Hey, what's up guys? Are you also on the hunt for that perfect smartphone? You know, the one that absolutely destroys the competition in camera, performance, and battery life. If the answer is yes, then you have clicked on the exact right video. Because today, we are talking about a phone that is going to make your jaw drop. That's right, Nokia is making a massive comeback with a brand new powerhouse, the Nokia Magic Max 5G. This isn't just a smartphone, it's a camera rig, a gaming beast, and a battery monster all rolled into one. Now, if you're thinking, this sounds too good to be true, it's just hype, hold your horses. Today, we are going to expose every single secret of this phone. From the raw power of its camera to the speed of its processor, and most importantly, the price and the release date. So, stick around, because by the end of this video, you're going to be thinking, I need this phone right now. Let's dive in. Features of the Nokia Magic Max 5G. Display and design. First up, let's talk about the display and design. According to the latest leaks, the Nokia Magic Max 5G is packing a massive 6.83-inch QHD plus LTPO OLED display. But here is the kicker, this display supports a 144Hz refresh rate. What does that mean for you? Whether you are grinding on heavy games or watching a fast-paced action movie, every single movement is going to look buttery smooth. For the gamers out there, this display is literally a dream come true. Security-wise, you've got an in-display fingerprint sensor that keeps things secure without ruining the look of the phone. Plus, it's rumored to come with an IP69 rating, meaning this thing is built like a tank against water, dust, and even high heat. Camera setup. Now, for the part everyone has been waiting for, the camera. Guys, if these leaks are true, Nokia just set a new benchmark for the entire industry. The Nokia Magic Max 5G rocks a triple camera setup on the back. But the real headline here, the primary camera, we are hearing it could be a massive 200 megapixels. Yes, you heard that right, 200 megapixels. This isn't just a number on a spec sheet. It means the photos you take will have so much detail that you can zoom way in without losing clarity. It's also going to be a beast in low light. Backing that up is a 50 megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 24 megapixel telephoto lens. And for the selfie squad, you aren't being left out. The front houses a 50 megapixel high-resolution selfie camera. Basically, having this phone is like carrying a portable DSLR in your pocket. Performance. But look, a great camera doesn't mean much if the phone can't keep up. It needs a powerful brain. And this is where the Nokia Magic Max is about to shock you again. Under the hood, this phone is rumored to feature Qualcomm's newest and most powerful, Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor. This chip won't even break a sweat with high-end gaming, heavy multitasking, or demanding apps. On top of that, it's going to run on Android 16 right out of the box, the latest and smoothest version of Android. This guarantees a premium user experience and long-term software support. Battery backup. Now let's talk about the one thing that gives every smartphone user anxiety, battery life. Is there a phone that can actually last all day and charge in a flash? The Nokia Magic Max 5G says, yes. Leaks suggest this phone could come with a massive 8000 mAh battery. That is huge. Even with heavy usage, this phone could easily last you a day and a half to 2 days. And the best part, it supports 125-watt superfast charging. By the time you go make a cup of coffee, your phone is going to be fully charged. Plus, expect USB-C and even reverse wireless charging capabilities. Price and launch date. So, the million-dollar question. How much will this cost, and when can I get it? According to leaks and tech experts, the Nokia Magic Max 5G price in the USA is expected to be around $1,000. Honestly, if you get all these features at that price point, this is going to be a value-for-money masterpiece. As for the launch date, rumor has it Nokia might drop this beast in the next few months, possibly by the end of this year. So, what do you guys think? Is Nokia back in the game? Let me know in the comments below.